Welcome back to Car Stuff PNW. This is Jesse. We got another little update on the Civic. I managed to replace the map sensor on this thing, and I took it for a drive for about an hour or so, and this thing has been driving awesome. No problems. I'm pretty sure it was the map sensor that this whole time. I wasn't able to figure it out until I data logged the car as it was driving. If you look here, the purple is the map sensor. And you know, it's good for a while, but then it gets over here, you know, and the RPMs are going up, but the map sensor stays the same. It was like at 18.9. I don't know what that unit is. INHG. I'll have to Google it, but yeah, that's what it seemed to be, was the freaking map sensor this whole time. And so I replaced the map sensor. Like I said, I drove it for like an hour, and it's been driving great. No problems. It doesn't do the bogging thing. So it looks like this whole time it wasn't the clutch, it wasn't a distributor, it wasn't a bunch of other things, but you know, it should run better now and be more reliable. I think I fixed some oil leak issues and stuff like that, but yeah, it was the map sensor this whole time. But yeah, it's revs no problem, no issues. It's warming up nice. It says 70 degrees. That's not right. It's been at like 190, but that's because it's the data log. Let me see. Let's get rid of that. There we go. Yeah, 194 degrees. My intake air temps 111. This thing's in the way. Yeah, that was it the whole time. Was the freaking map sensor. So yeah, I think that'll do it for this video. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you later. Hopefully I can start working on the MG. Thanks. Bye.